Guys, it's Ben Nathan here from fundamentalforex.org and bennathanfx.com. I had a really good question come through, and it's a common question I get asked, and it's, what happens if you're in a trade and you're heading towards the end of the day and the trade's still open? So I'm going to answer that question today. Now, there's two scenarios here. The first scenario, we'll look at this euro-dollar trade first. So if you're looking, if it's a long-term trade, as long as you've got your stop loss and take profit in, you can leave those running. So the one I've got open at the moment, you can see it's 8 pips in profit. Now that's a PTT trade, so that's from the part-time trader course. So this is a long-term trade. I'm looking to take about 300 pips from that. So naturally, I expect the trade to carry through. However, if we look at the other two trades, we've got the pound-dollar, and that's a sell. And we've also got the dollar-yen, which is a buy. Now, with these are different because they're sentiment-based trades. Now, sentiment can change on any given day. So all I'll do now is, because I'm at the end of the day, I'm going to shut those trades down now. So that's 20 pips taken on the pound-yen and 29 pips taken on the pound-dollar. Now, you can leave these trades overnight. However, the thing with sentiment is that it can and does change, on a daily basis on certain currencies, depending on what's going on in the economy. So for me, again, just to recap what we've said, if it's a long-term trade, so a fundamental-based trade, or if you're trading a trend, you're going to want to leave that to run to your profit. Whereas if it's an intraday trade and it's based on sentiment as opposed to fundamentals, that's something that can change, and it could change when you're away from your screen. So if you've got some profit on the table and you're not a million miles away from the TP, which was the case with both of these, then by all means you can take your profit. So for me, I'd sooner have taken that 40 pips rather than leave it overnight and take a 50-50 chance of it playing out overnight when I'm not there to monitor it. And that's pretty much how I do it. So the main word I would use would be discretion. But with the long-term trades, just hang in there. And then short-term day trades based on sentiment, use your discretion. If you feel that you're fairly close to take profit and you're ready to wrap up, then by all means, there's nothing wrong with closing early so you can finish your day. But again, discretion's the word. So I hope that answered the question. As always, guys, I'm over in the Live Traders Lounge to answer any questions, so do feel free to get in touch if I can be of assistance. Take care.